Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gear. Today, we're diving into the world of memory card readers and exploring what makes the Uni SD card reader stand out from the crowd. If you're looking for the best SD card for laptop expansion, you're in the right place. Introducing the Uni SD card reader, a USB 3.0 adapter that offers high-speed data transfer and seamless compatibility with a wide range of devices. Let's break down what makes this little gadget a must-have for anyone in need of reliable memory card access. First up, let's talk speed. With USB 3.0 technology, this card reader delivers lightning-fast data transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. That means you can say goodbye to long wait times when transferring files between your computer and memory cards. But speed is just the beginning. The Uni SD card reader also boasts dual card slots, allowing you to read and write to 2 memory cards simultaneously. Whether you're a photographer juggling multiple SD cards or a content creator managing micro SD storage, this feature is a game changer. Now, let's talk compatibility. This card reader is a true jack of all trades, supporting a wide range of memory card formats, including SD, SDXC, SDHC, MMC, MicroSTEX, microSD, microSDHC, and USI cards. Plus, it's compatible with a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS. And let's not forget about design. The Uni SD card reader features a compact and slim design that won't block other ports on your laptop or desktop. Plus, its aluminum casing provides better heat dissipation and durability, ensuring it stands the test of time. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best SD card for laptop expansion, look no further than the Uni SD card reader. With its lightning-fast speed, dual card slots, universal compatibility, and durable design, it's the perfect companion for all your memory card needs. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!